Showing one's age, unraveling the meaning. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, showing one's age. This phrase is common in everyday conversation, but what does it really mean? Let's explore this together and add another expression to your growing English vocabulary. Showing one's age is a phrase used to indicate that someone's actions, appearance, or preferences reveal their age, often implying they are older than they may seem. It's not just about wrinkles or gray hair. It can also refer to how someone thinks or what they reference in conversation. For example, if someone is unfamiliar with the latest technology trends and prefers doing things the old-fashioned way, they might be showing their age. This phrase is often used in a light-hearted or teasing manner among friends or colleagues. It's not meant to be offensive but rather a playful observation of someone's habits or choices. For instance, if your friend is confused by a modern gadget and you say, "You're really showing your age," it's a gentle tease, not a harsh criticism. It's important to note that the phrase, showing one's age, can have different connotations depending on the cultural context. In some cultures, age is associated with wisdom and respect, while in others, youthfulness is more celebrated. When using this phrase, be mindful of the setting and the people you're with to avoid misunderstandings or offending someone unintentionally. Showing one's age is a phrase rich in meaning, reflecting not just physical age but also attitudes, habits, and preferences. Like many expressions in the English language, it's best used in the right context and with a touch of sensitivity. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.